Hey friends! Welcome to Travel Partner Official. Today we're taking you to the sunny coast of Andalusia, Spain, to a place that's often forgotten but full of awesome surprises. Huelva. Let's jump right into the 13 best things to do in Huelva. Our trip starts in Huelva City, a place full of seafaring history. This charming city, located in the southwestern part of Spain, is known for its rich maritime heritage and vibrant culture. As you walk through its streets, you can almost feel the echoes of the past, where explorers and sailors once roamed. We'll begin at the amazing Muelle de las Carabelas, a must-visit destination for history enthusiasts and curious travelers alike. This museum harbor features meticulously crafted replicas of Columbus's 3 famous ships, the Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. These ships played a crucial role in the Age of Discovery, and seeing them up close is like stepping back in time. Really close by, you'll find the Monastery of La Rábida, a site of immense historical significance. This peaceful monastery is where Columbus stayed and received crucial support while planning his voyage. The serene environment and historical artifacts provide a glimpse into the past. Walk through its quiet courtyards, where you can almost hear the whispers of history. Check out the cool architecture, which showcases the unique Mudejar style, a blend of Christian and Islamic design elements. And explore the exhibits that make this important moment in history come alive. The interactive displays and historical artifacts offer a deep dive into the life and times of Columbus. And no trip about Columbus in Huelva is complete without seeing the Columbus Monument. This impressive statue stands as a tribute to the great explorer and his monumental journey across the Atlantic. It's a fitting end to our exploration of Huelva's rich connection to Columbus. Next, we're going outside the city to one of Europe's most important nature reserves, Doñana National Park. Located in southern Spain, this park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a biosphere reserve. It spans over 540 square kilometers and is a sanctuary for a wide variety of wildlife. Imagine a huge area of marshes, lagoons, dunes, and woods filled with tons of different plants and animals. The park's diverse ecosystems make it a haven for bird watchers, with over 300 species of birds recorded here, including flamingos, eagles, and herons. As you explore this natural wonderland, look out for the park's most famous resident, the Iberian lynx. This critically endangered species finds refuge in Doñana, making it one of the last strongholds for these elusive cats. The best way to see all of Doñana is with a guide. Expert guides can provide insights into the park's unique ecosystems and help you spot wildlife that you might otherwise miss. You can choose from jeep safaris, horseback riding, or even walking tours. Each offers a different perspective and allows you to experience the park's beauty in a unique way. Or, if you prefer, you can take boat trips on the park's waterways. These trips offer a serene way to explore the park's aquatic habitats and see its wildlife up close. It's a powerful reminder that adventure and protecting nature can go together. By visiting Doñana National Park, you're not just enjoying a beautiful landscape, you're also supporting conservation efforts that help preserve this incredible place for future generations. From the wild Doñana, we're going to the coast to relax at Punta Umbría Beach. Imagine digging your toes into soft sand, the warm sun on your skin, and the gentle sound of the waves. If you like being active, there are lots of water sports like windsurfing, kitesurfing, paddleboarding, and kayaking. And when you get hungry, there are lots of beach bars serving up yummy seafood paella and refreshing sangria. Punta Umbría Beach is the perfect mix of relaxing and having fun. Our next stop is back in Huelva City at the tall Huelva Cathedral. Step inside and you'll feel peaceful and amazed. The cathedral's inside shows centuries of faith and art, with high ceilings, colorful glass windows, and a beautiful altarpiece. Everything tells a story about the city's history and culture. Before you leave, climb the cathedral's bell tower for amazing views of Huelva. Get ready to feel like you're on another planet at the Rio Tinto Mining Park, a place unlike any other. Imagine a river that's red because of mining, making it look super weird. ride the mining train through this strange place and learn about the history of mining there. You can even visit a fake Roman mine and see what it was like for the miners. For a really cool experience, take a guided tour of the river. After the Rio Tinto Mining Park, let's walk along the Muelle del Tinto, a historic pier in Huelva's industrial area. This famous pier used to be busy with loading and unloading minerals, but now it's a peaceful place to see the region's industrial past. The pier has great views of the city, the river, and the marshes, making it perfect for taking pictures. As the sun sets, the Muelle del Tinto becomes a truly magical place. We're going back to the Monastery of La Rábida, a place that's important in history and very peaceful. Step back in time as you walk through the quiet courtyards and admire its mudéjar architecture, a mix of Islamic and Christian styles. Inside, there's a cool museum about Columbus and his trips. Look at maps, navigation tools, and copies of where he lived. Visit the chapel where Columbus prayed before his journey. Get ready for some yummy food at Huelva's Mercado del Carmen, a lively market with fresh produce, local treats, and lots of energy. Try some of the area's famous seafood, caught fresh from the Atlantic and cooked with simple, delicious recipes. Enjoy gambas blancas, white prawns, chocos, cuttlefish, or mochama, a special cured tuna. You'll see why Huelva's food is a delicious mix of land and sea. Our next stop is the heart of Huelva, the Plaza de las Monjas, a busy square where people meet up. Sit at a cafe and enjoy the energy. Watch kids play, friends chat, and street musicians perform. Around the square, you'll find shops, restaurants, and historic buildings, making it a great place to start exploring the city center. As the sun sets, the Plaza de las Monjas becomes a magical place for a walk. Our Huelva trip continues at the Casa Colón, a big building that shows the city's history and culture. This iconic structure stands as a testament to the rich heritage of Huelva, blending architectural beauty with historical significance. Built as a hotel a long time ago, it was originally intended to accommodate visitors from all over the world. The architecture reflects the grandeur and elegance of its time, making it a remarkable sight. The Casa Colón is now a cultural center with events, exhibitions, and shows. It has transformed into a vibrant hub for the arts, hosting a variety of cultural activities that attract both locals and tourists. Walk through its fancy rooms with cool tile work, ceilings, and staircases that tell stories of the past. Each room is a masterpiece, adorned with intricate designs and historical details that transport you back in time. The staircases, in particular, are a highlight, showcasing the craftsmanship and artistic flair of the era. They are not just functional, but also serve as a visual narrative of the building's storied past. Today, it's a place for arts and culture, with everything from art shows and concerts to plays and movies. The Casa Colón has become a beacon for creative expression, offering a platform for artists and performers to showcase their talents. With everything from art shows that feature local and international artists to concerts that fill the halls with music, the Casa Colón is a cultural treasure. It also hosts plays and movie screenings, providing a diverse range of entertainment options for visitors. Whether you're a fan of the performing arts or simply looking to enjoy a night out, there's something for everyone. There's also a museum about Christopher Columbus and his voyages. This museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the life and journeys of the famous explorer, with exhibits that include historical artifacts and detailed accounts of his adventures. Go back in time at the Museo Provincial de Huelva, a museum full of things that show the region's past, from ancient times to today. See things from the Roman era, amazing Islamic art, and learn about the region's mining history. One of the best parts is the collection of prehistoric artifacts, like tools and pottery from the Dolmen de Soto, a really old tomb. This museum is great for history lovers. Get ready to be amazed by the Odiel Marshes, a big nature reserve where the Odiel and Tinto rivers meet near Huelva City. This special place, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, is great for wildlife and birdwatching. As you explore the marshes, walking on trails or by boat, you'll see lots of birds. Look for flamingos, spoonbills, and purple swamp hens. For a really cool experience, take a guided boat tour. See one of Andalusia's most famous cultural events, the Romería del Rocío, a pilgrimage that brings over 1 million people to El Rocío village in Doñana National Park. Watch thousands of pilgrims, many in traditional clothes, traveling by horse or in decorated carts to see the Virgin del Rocío, the patron saint of Almonte. The atmosphere is exciting, with lots of devotion and celebration. If you're in Huelva during the Romería del Rocío, don't miss it. Well, there you have it. 13 amazing things to do in Huelva. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next travel adventures. Tell us, which of these Huelva highlights are you most excited to see? Until next time, happy travels!